Hey everyone, okay, so today is the best blushes. So, really small collection. These are the only ones that I use. Okay, actually, there's one more I can see there. I'll get that in a second. Okay, so, firstly, Hourglass. Look at the colours of these. This is Iridescent Electra. So this is true to life. This is what it looks like. Okay, it's really exciting. These lights that I've got here are true to life lights. So my skin color, everything, this is how we look. Iridescent Flash, I think it's called. And these are kind of that, they're not overly shimmery either, but there's just a little hint of a sparkle. Luminous Flush. Adore Hourglass blushes. Really love the Charlotte Tilbury. I love Love Glow. I think it's a really pretty sort of updated version of NARS Orgasm. This one is so underrated, but it's great for medium to deeper skin tones. And this is the Climax. And that's a great color. And finally, NARS. Never forget NARS. They make beautiful, beautiful blushes. What color is this? Super Orgasm. I'll be the judge of that. And of course, this is my own one. Exhibit A. I mean, this a universal color, light skin, dark skin, any skin. Exhibit A, just extraordinary. There is one more. Here it is. It's Beauty and Flowers by, so there's two separate ones. There's Beauty here and there's Flowers by Bare Minerals. It's one of their loose mineral eyeshadows, and it's one of the really old ones. This is really old. I still use it. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So there you go. That's my favorite blushes. See you next time. Bye bye.